In this video, we'll guide you through how to overlay photos or images on an iPhone. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Overlaying simply means placing one photo or image on top of another. I'll show you how to do this using the Canva app. Start by opening the App Store and tapping on the search icon at the bottom right. Search for Canva and install the app. Once installed, open Canva and sign in. You can quickly sign in with your Apple ID. Next, tap on the plus icon at the bottom. Then select Create New and tap on Upload. You can either choose from your photo library or files. The first image you select will be your background image. After selecting it, press Done in the top right corner and choose Use in New Design. Now, scroll down and select Camera Roll to add the image you want to overlay on top of the background. You can add multiple images if you like. Once added, tap Add to Page. Next, adjust the size and position of the image by selecting it and using the corner points. You can resize it or move it around as needed. To save your work, press the download icon in the top right, the arrow on the line, and select Save Image. Your overlaid image is now saved to your photos, ready to use.